Hi guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here click on New Version 7 times. As you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let's go back, scroll down and open additional settings, and from now on you can find developer options here. Click to open, you can smoothly use everything here, and then to turn it off, just unmark the stop switcher. They are no longer accessible, and if you wish to activate them again, you will have to perform the same trick. Let me just go back. You will have to perform the same trick as you can see, it is no longer included here. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.